Hey neighbors, Catherine Newman here with Allison James. So here's another great model home tour at Esplanade Artisan Lakes in Palmetto, which is right beside Parrish, Florida. And today we're going to check out the Lazio model, which is a great floor plan. Well, you're going to see it in this tour. So if you want to keep seeing great videos that show you model home tours of the area homes that our builders are building here in the Parrish and Palmetto area, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel so you're always alerted every time a new video is available. Let's go check out the Lazio. guys Esplanade at Artisan Lakes by Taylor Morrison here in Palmetto. And remember, if you're looking at a map and you see I-75 running north and south, on the east side of the Parrish exit is Parrish, and on the west side of that same exit is this place right here, Artisan Lakes. So it's definitely something that you ought to check out. Another thing about this community that people really like is it's a gas community. So if you like to cook with gas, if you're a cook and you know that gas is way better than electric, this is a place you want to check out. They have different price points, so it's definitely something that you should call me about. I can tell you which floor plans will fit your budget, what will fit your needs, and then we can get out here and take a look at these babies. It's a beautiful community, very well maintained, and it's close to everything. A brand new Publix is probably 3 minutes down the road. And of course, I use Kroger for groceries, but everything is so close to the interstate, you can get wherever you need, whether you're going up to Tampa, St. Pete, or you're going south into Bradenton or Sarasota. So if this is an area that interests you in the least, or maybe you know someone that this might benefit, make sure to share this video with them. And please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel so you can always find out what the new model homes are, what the builder incentives are, and of course just information about Parrish and Palmetto, anything in Manatee and Sarasota counties and the beyond counties. I work there too. So make sure to like and subscribe. Call me if you have any questions. I look forward to hearing from you. I'm Catherine Newman. I'll see you next time.